been installed, and India is one of the leading countries with close to 300,000 or close to 3 lakh pumps installed in different parts of India. We did an interesting assignment on behalf of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy to look at how solar water pumps are being installed. As a part of that request, we covered 4 states where solar water pumps had been installed between 2015 and 2017. The states that have been covered are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Odisha. Rajasthan, we had 2 districts. Odisha, we had 2 districts. In Tamil Nadu, we had 3 districts, while in UP, we had 2 districts. 50% of the sample surveys were from the state of Rajasthan. Now, some of the key findings. If we see the key findings, 86% of the surveyed solar water pumps spread across the 4 states are being used by the farmers. Unfortunately, 14% of those, 14% are not being utilized. And we try to analyze the reasons why it is not being utilized. 2% of the pumps, unutilized pumps, are not being used primarily because the pumps are sold off, or the panels are being used for some other activity. In 9% of the cases, the pumps are either broken or the solar panels are broken. In 2% of the cases, either the pump or the solar panel is stolen. And in 1% of the case, the pumps are not being used due to poor water table, which means due to depleting water table, the pumps are not in a position to be used. And this brings us to a very important point of site selection. One needs to be very careful where the solar water pump are being installed. Some of the other broad operational issues, what we have seen is that the 35% of the inspected solar water pumps were found to be properly maintained. 58% of the solar water pumps are being cleaned at least once within 2 weeks. This is important because cleaning of the solar panels ensures the efficient use of the panel. It facilitates in optimizing the energy usage and also benefits the performance of the pump. 92% of the solar water pumps are installed in a shade-free area, which means that these are installed in areas which are not covered by trees. This is also equally important because any shadow influences the performance of the solar water pump. My last point is mainly looking at the issues of breakdown and after-sale services. 64% of the solar water pumps have experienced some big breakdown after installation. Unfortunately, 13% of these cases, the breakdowns have occurred multiple times, going up to 5 times. And the common component to fail includes controller circuit and motor. Regarding the after-sale service, there is also quite room for improvement. 27% of the farmers reported that they didn't have any number to contact the vendor. 40% of the farmers surveyed were not satisfied with the services provided by the vendor. It's important to highlight that close to 40% were not even aware of the location of the service center. These are pumps which had been surveyed, or these are installations which were pre-KUSUM. There has been some concrete measures and steps which has been taken up to address some of these challenges which we report as part of the outcome of the survey.